Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for this morning. So the moves that we're looking for a retest are starting to happen, and you can see, as I warned you yesterday, you don't want to get involved in this when you are, well, when the oscillators are like they are on the 8 hour. So what we're looking for is a pullback to retest 107887, and then we can make some decisions on a short setup. Bear in mind that we do have a massive weekly gap at the moment, so that's going to be a massive magnet, and that would bring the next level into play, which would be 108046, and then there's one other level just above it with this big tail here, and that would be at 108131. So those are the levels to the upside that I would be interested in. And that would mean I'd be interested in a short. So for me at the moment, this is just big down, big up, big down at the moment. Lots of confusion on the 3 hour. Nothing else to read into this just yet. And then when we get down to the weekly, to the hourly, you can see oscillators starting to move to the upside. And nothing changes. I still think these are the levels to pay attention to. 107887. 108046 and 108131. Those are the three levels that you want to look for a rejection. And if you look at this on the 15, we're also still below the 150 EMA here. So yeah, there's a lot of political noise going on in Europe. So I'd be a little bit cautious about jumping in at the moment. So we've got political noise in Europe, and then we've got the Feds. There's still a concern on what the Feds are doing in the US. So both of those play into the strengths of each currency pair. So what the Fed's not making a decision on what they're doing, the dollar's going to remain strong. And in Europe, with the chaos that's going on with the elections, Euro elections that are happening at the moment, that's going to play into strength for the Euro at the moment. So, for weakness in the Euro, not strength, but so both of those play out, then you're going to see a catalyst which is going to drive this thing down, because that'll give you dollar strength and Euro weakness. At the moment, it's just confusion, and it's confusion on both fronts. So I would just err on the side of caution here and just wait, just to see what's going to happen. You should see some catalyst, being some noise in the markets, with a proper rejection of something for that short to start, and that's what I would be waiting for. Don't think I just jump in for the sake of jumping in. Just wait for the politicians to show their hand, and that should give you a fairly decent move to the downside. The alternative is that they settle everybody's nerves, and then we continue to just travel sideways like we have been doing in the past. Anyway, I'm on the side, not really worried about what direction Forex is going in. I am paying attention to it because I do see some potential opportunities on the indexes, but no clear direction yet. That's the important thing. So we just need to watch for where that direction is going to be so we can get in on that move. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.